for delivery of judgment, item number 29, W within 3794, object 2025.
Mr. Day?
Hello.
Yes, miss. I've already prepared it,
Yeah.
so I'm just reading the operating part, huh?
Hello.
It is also settled law that in administrative matters relating to recruitment and eligibility, the scope of interference by this court under Article 226 is limited. The writ court does not sit in appeal over the wisdom of the executive in prescribing procedures for verification of eligibility, unless the action complained of is shown to be arbitrary, unfair, or unjust, so as to offend Article 14 of the Constitution. No interference is warranted. In the present case, the requirement to furnish documents for verifying in-service status as on the cutoff date is neither arbitrary nor unfair, but as a reasonable measure directly flowing from the directions of the Apex Court and the governing statutory provisions. In view of the foregoing discussion, I am of the unhesitant view that the requirement to furnish UDICE registration and other service documents as called for by the Director of Elementary Education Assam by the impugned notification dated 17/6/2025 is not an additional eligibility criteria, but a necessary verification mechanism to implement the NCT's recognition order dated 22/9/17 as clarified by the Apex Court in so-and-so to hold the 18 months diploma in elementary education certificate under ODL mode from the NIOS as valid diploma under the subject recruitment process. Accordingly, the instant writ petition is found bereft of any merit whatsoever. Hence, the writ petition stands dismissed. Before parting, this court cannot overlook the manner in which the present writ petition has been filed. A large number of candidates have approached this court jointly, but without disclosing individual particulars as to how each of them has been affected. The petition, drafted in a most casual manner, not only lacks individual averments, but also contains contradictory projections. For instance, while arguments categorically advanced before this court that all petitioners hail from private schools, the pleadings themselves reveal that they belong to private, aided, and unaided institutions. On the basis of such vague pleadings, the result of the verification process was kept in abeyance owing to the interim order granted by this court, which remained operative until 9/9/2025, when the same was not extended. It is worthwhile to mention, Ms. Chutia, kindly verify this, that during the course of the hearing, Mr. D. Saikia, Learned Advocate General Assam, has apprised this court that out of the total 7,852 applications received from candidates availing their 18 months diploma from NIOS as diploma under the subject advertisement, a total number of 1715 candidates were shortlisted. Correct? For physical document verification, shortlisted for physical document verification, out of which a total number of 1405 candidates appeared physically with documents, and upon verification of the same, a total number of 384 candidates fulfilled the criteria. Thereafter, in the first provisional merit list, a total number of 247 candidates were selected eligible as per district-wise cutoff marks. Hence, such casual invocation of the writ jurisdiction resulting in disruption of a large-scale public recruitment cannot be countenanced. Accordingly, this court deems it appropriate to impose cost of ₹10,000 upon the writ petitioners to be deposited with the State Legal Services Authority within a period of 4 months from today. There is some one or two small editing. So during the break, both sides jointly just see the facts once, so that there is no error. Yes. Any mentions?
With the consent of the other side, may I make a mention item number 19 also?
Item number
19, Lord.
19.
19, Lord.
I am the petitioner in this case, Lordship. A date may be fixed immediately after Puja, Lordship.
S jointly prayed by the learned counsels for parties, relist on such and such date. Yes. Next.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9. Lordship, senior counsel is out of the station. Kindly adjourn the matter for today, Lordship.
Item number
9.
as prayed for on behalf of as prayed for by
C. Bora.
MSG Bora. You are G Bora.
No,
Um,
I am B.R. Burman.
please say your name.
B.R. Burman.
As prayed for by MS
B.R. Burman.
BR
Burman.
BR Burman, learned counsel, on behalf of MSG Bora, learned arguing counsel for the writ petitioner on the ground that so and so is out of station, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item numbers 32, 33, and 34 of today's supplementary list.
What do you want?
Lordship, we received our pairwise instructions in these particular matters.
Have you informed the other
Yes.
side? Yes, Mr. Das, you are there.
Yes, Lord.
Mr. Your name?
M. Bhuya, Lordship.
M. Bhuya, learned standing counsel, PWD, submits that that his office has received the instructions and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to place the same by way of by way of return. Prayer is not opposed by Mr. D. Das, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, there are interim orders, Lordship.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much of this.
Much obliged.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item numbers 24 and 25, two separate matters, Lordship. In both the matters, Lordship, we have taken consent from the other side, Lordship.
Item number?
24 and 25, Lordship. Lordship, 25 affidavit, Lordship.
You will file an affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. in both
All
the
right.
matters.
In item 24 and 25, now,
Yes, Lordship.
who's appearing?
25.
Mr. Dey, you're also there.
24.
So, দুটা বেলেগ বেলেগ কৰি দিবা. Give appearance of S Dey in 24 and Mr. B. Saraugi in item 25 for petitioners and R. Barwa for respondent finance. Respondent finance and taxation, and say that she learned counsel appearing for finance and taxation seeks 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time to file return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item number 1.
Wait, please, your Lordship. No, this is regarding, my lord, allotment of IMFL off license, my lord.
Yes.
Regarding allotment of IMFL off license, my lord. There's a tender, my lord, tender document got issued and we
Seeing
participate.
the presence of Mr. Goswami, looks like the stay is going to be opposed vehemently.
Well, already, my lord, letter of intent has been issued. The private respondent has deposited the money. And one of the criteria because of which the petitioner has been debarred is a criteria under the rules, my lord. There cannot.
All right, let me first.
My lord, I agree, my lord, criteria under the rule, my lord. But
Yes, Mr. Mohanto.
your Lordship, kindly see my financial bid. That was technically, it was approved. Your Lordship, kindly prior.
Your technical bid was approved.
Approved. My lord, prior to that, there are 3 inquiry. There is a complaint. There are 3 inquiry made. All the inquiry report are in my favor. Thereafter, my lord, your Lordship, kindly.
3 inquiry against you.
No, in my favor.
No, otherwise, sorry, the complaints were against you.
Yes, there is a complaint, not only me, my lord, there are other.
But
There are other contenders.
there were inquiry about you as well.
Yes.
And in those inquiry, you've given a clean sheet.
Clean sheet.
Correct?
My lord. Thereafter, my lord, your Lordship, kindly see page 164, my lord. 164.
Yes.
Page 162. Grant of IMFL retail license award ward number 9, Dhetiazuli Municipal Board. These are the 4 persons. They are technical bid were approved, my lord. Your Lordship, kindly see. My name is serial number 3.
Rajan Singh? No.
No, I am
Manoj.
just Manoj Setri,
Okay, petitioner.
petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
So now, my lord, thereafter, my lord, They did not do anything, my lord. I opposed this honorable court. And this honorable court stated that passed an order on 8/4/2025,
Page,
page, my lord, 169. (169), my lord.
yes.
Within 90 days, you complete the process. Because till then, my lord, no financial bid was not open. So your lordship kindly say last but three para. Sorry, page 170, my lord, page 170 kindly. After inquiring where made any respondent authority, this complainant has been found to be baseless and most of the applicant, including the petitioner's applications, found to be compliance with providing rules, norms, and granting IMFL off license. In view of the such event, averment being made by the respondent number 3 in the affidavit, there is no further reason to express the respondent authority which revealed that hurdle for conclusion of the tender process initiated in further issuance of settlement of the matter tender.
All right. So accordingly, writ petition closed with direction to complete the tender
90.
process.
My lord, thereafter, my lord, your lordship kindly see, Deputy Commissioner passed an order, speaking order that is on 25/8/2025, my lord.
That is at page
Page, my lord, 185.
185.
My lord.
25/8.
My lord,
Yes.
25/8. Your lordship kindly see, finding of the inquiry.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know how he can make again, my lord, there is an inquiry. Already there are 3 other inquiry. Now, my lord, finding of the inquiry. Para 2, my lord.
Yes, please.
Whereas during the inquiry, the landowner of Shri Bhakshwant, no, that is not in respect of me, my lord. Next para, my lord.
Yes.
Where,
Manoj Chetri, yes.
where it was also noted that the inquiry dated proposed IMFL license of Shri Manoj Chetri is situated near the Vishnujuti Super Specialist
Hospital.
Hospital, which has been accorded permission to increase the bed strength of 30 to 30. So and so, dated so and so, as per so and so. So accordingly. Whereas the joint verification report, now my lord, your lordship kindly see, joint verification report 23/5/25 by the circle officer, Dhikiajuli. But that report is not furnished to me, my lord. This is none of now,
report? Which report?
your lordship.
Oh, that the one
185
down.
185 last
23/5/25.
my lord. That was joint verification report. Again, they have done earlier, apart from other 3, my lord. But that report was not furnished to me, my lord. Not furnished to me, my lord. In fact, I have stated my
It appears that there is a hospital
my
within the
lord,
vicinity.
there's a
Now,
hospital.
if there is a hospital in the vicinity, perhaps it cannot be because that's the rules, Mr. Mahanto.
My lord, that's the rule, my lord. Your lordship kindly see the first report. Your
But
lord.
Mr. Goswami, how come in the first 3 inquiry report, this point was not
That came into the notice, my lord. At that point of time, my lord, hospital had 15 bed.
later they got permission for 30 beds.
Under the rules, my lord, if it is 30, there cannot be a wine
Mr.
shop.
Mahanto, then
No.
I'll issue notice right
No,
now.
my
I
lord.
think it's
your-
subject to outcome.
No,
I
my
have no
lord.
objection.
Your lordship kindly see.
Mr. Mahanto, not at this
No, my lord,
stage.
that is another point, my lord. Your lordship kindly see.
Because you
No,
see,
your
even
lordship kindly,
here,
my lord, whatever.
just 1 second, Mr. Mohanta, because your annexure 17 also indicates which has been accorded permission to increase bed strength to 30 beds.
My correct.
So therefore, it can be so that at
My
that
lord,
relevant
my
point
lord,
of time,
Then
when
there
those
is a
3
law. There is a
inquiries.
law, my lord. That has to be followed, my lord.
Correct.
Your lordship kindly see, my lord, first inquiry report, my lord.
And that's all right. Let us not go. We are
No,
not
my
hearing this matter today, Mr.
How
Mohanta.
much?
Because admittedly, Mr. Goswami have said at those time there were 15 beds. So there is no question of going back to those reports right now.
No, my lord.
This
there is a
has increased on 4/3/25. This inquiry was prior to 4/3/25.
My lord.
Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes, prior to 4/3/25.
Correct, my lord. Your lordship kindly
Earlier
see.
inquiry was prior to 4th.
No,
Correct.
what I am going to submit, my lord. Your lordship kindly my lord. Page 152, my lord.
152. 52.
My lord.
You want stay of which order? The speaking order.
My lord.
Yes. Page
152. There is a report by the circle officer.
This is of 21/2/2024.
The 21 to 19, yes, 24.
24.
Yes, my
How is
lord.
it relevant?
No, yes, 11. I am submitting, my lord.
Yes.
Medical institution, more than 800 meter.
Yes.
Your lordship kindly see.
Yes.
Now, my lord, your lordship kindly see that now page 85, last portion, my lord. Last portion, my lord. Same
Page?
circle officer, my lord, says that it is more than 800 meter. Now he says that it is more than, it is only within 15 meter. 50 meter, page 185. Same circle officer, madam.
Government hospital, I can tell you.
Page 185. Last portion, madam.
Yes.
It is clearly recorded that the proposed location where violated the provision of actually shall be within 50 meters. Now they come to the 50 meters.
Where about the other two reports?
Other two report, my lord. Other two report, my lord, not speak about the distance, my lord. The other two report,
Where are they?
other report, page 155.
Fifteen bedded.
And then other one is, my lord, 16th at page 160. Now, my lord,
The other one is
160. Page
one.
160.
Yes.
So these are also, my lord, cleared, my lord, these three, my lord. Now, my lord, another
Anything about
distance,
the
no,
distance?
nothing. There is distance, nothing, my lord. Only there is the other two reports speaking about the bed on 15 bed, 15 bed. Now, my lord, your lordship kindly say I am the highest bidder. What law says, my lord?
One second, I'm just reading this third
My
inquiry.
lord. No, regarding distance 5.
One
that-
second, one second. Mr. Goswami, in this inquiry report at page 160,
My lord.
anything mentioned about the distance of the proposed shop from the hospital?
My lord, it is
Huh?
not mentioned here,
It's
but
not mentioned, no?
if my lord produces for a moment, my lord, page 77, that will make everything clear. It is his own declaration.
I'll come to the rules. I'm just trying to be clear with the facts.
My lord.
It is a form, my lord,
Page
77, it's a part of his declaration. My lord.
AC to bonus. Hmm? Page 70.
7, my lord. The document starts at page 74. That's a application of the petitioner with his own declaration. If my lord produces clause
Yes,
18,
yes.
clause 18, he discloses distance of the proposed premises. B, my lord, hospital, one government hospital, 800 meters. That is the other hospital, my lord. And number 2, private hospital, 800 meter approximately, but not 30 bedded. It is his own declaration of the petitioner.
Where?
Page 77, my lord.
It says
It's handwritten, my lord.
number B, na?
B.
Hospital.
Hospital, government hospital, 800 meters.
One pound? What is this?
Government hospital, 800.
Government hospital, 800 meters,
meters,
approximately.
Number 2,
Huh.
private nursing home, 80 meter approximately, but not 30 bedded. This has become 30 bedded now, my lord.
This has
It is his
become
own 30 bedded now, my lord. This is own declaration, my lord. So there are two hospitals, one is at 800 meter and this is at 80 meter.
that first report
Yes,
which you showed,
800.
that was page 152.
150.
That report, my lord, certainly has said about the government hospital at 800 meter.
It is not mentioned, my
I
lord.
have the honor to inform you that as per your kind, something we. Yes, You want to
And
share
Your
something?
Lordship, kindly see my page 186, my lord. That I am the highest bidder. Then now they awarded the license to the my lord, third highest bidder.
Hmm.
When there is any discrepancy of the location, my lord, by the first highest bidder, then there is a option. They
You are
have
the
to-
first highest bidder.
first highest bidder. My bid is my lord 42 lakhs.
All
Now
right.
they are given to a 20 lakhs only.
Yes, when there is a discretion, where there is a discrepancy, yes.
That my lord, there is a law. Your
Yes.
lordship kindly see
Well, the debate-
189. 189. Rule 189. 289. sorry.
Yes.
Your last line, your lordship kindly see 289 last, very last para, my lord.
Yes.
Provided that even when any place of public worship or educational institution or hospital came into existence in subsequent to the establishment for the hence licensed premises, the appropriate distance provision shall apply, subject to the provision that the licenses shall be given a reasonable opportunity to shifting the or relocated the premises. So that opportunity was not given to me, my lord. That is my case.
All right. Yes.
My lord, directly on that point, my lord, it produces the proviso again. It nowhere says, my lord, for a bidder, my lord. It says for a established license premises. For that, my lord, there
So
is
that means after getting the license,
license establishing the premises. If
and
something
thereafter, if something comes.
there is a case, my lord, license he was not even
All right.
declared as higher.
Third, Mr. T.J. Mahantan, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
A. Boru.
A.
Borua.
Barwal, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P.N., right?
And man,
P.N. Goswami, learned standing counsel. You're appearing as additional advocate general. Also standing counsel, no.
also standing.
Stroke standing counsel excise.
Senior standing counsel.
Senior standing counsel excise and Mr.
For 5 months.
N. Dekal, you're appearing as?
I think every number.
Oh, sorry, you're for the caveat, a private respondent. What about anyone else from the government? No. Okay, Mr. N. Dekal, so and so, learned counsel appearing for respondent
5.
5. So, Mr. Goswami, you are taking for 1 to 4, no?
My lord.
Okay. 5, huh? Good. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is assailing the impugned speaking order dated 25/8/2025 issued by the District Commissioner Sunitpur R4, disqualifying the petitioner, as well as the consequent declaration of respondent number 5 as the highest bidder by the tender bid committee on 9/9/2025 in the, where do I get the detail of what process is this? In,
My lord finds that tender notice, my lord.
yes, where do I get that? In connection with
That my lord finds at page 28.
page
28.
28. It starts at 28.
28. I just want that reference. In connection with,
Ward number 9 under Dhekiajuli Municipal Board.
where do I get in?
Very fast.
It's 32.
Page
32.
32.
All right. Page 32 pajabai in connection with
Ward number 9 Dhekiajuli Municipal Board.
ward number 9 under Dhekiajuli Municipal Board, right?
Fine.
Board. Stop. Mr. T.J. Mahanta, learned senior counsel, submits that despite these are preliminary inquiries,
My lord,
Three-
on complaint.
3 inquiries upon complaint received, having checked the petitioner, having checked the allegation leveled against the petitioners, and having found the same to be baseless, as well as in compliance as per the prevailing rules and norms for granting IMFL OFF license, subsequently by the speaking order dated 25/8/2025, the Who is this District Commissioner Sunitpur? The respondent number 4 declared the petitioner ineligible in view of the fact that there is a in view of the fact that the hospital that Vishnu Jyoti Super Specialty Hospital, which is situated about
80 meter. Madam.
which is situated within how much?
80 meter.
Within 80 meter
But
has been accorded permission to increase bed strength to 30 beds. That is the reason, isn't it?
My lord, but my technical.
No, that is the
Yes,
reason.
yes.
Stop. He further submits that it is clearly the finding in the first inquiry held by the same circle officer on, when was that? On
21 to 22, 24.
on 21/2/2024 that the medical institution are located more than 800 meter from the proposed
Liquor shop.
liquor shop,
Location of the. proposed-
location of the proposed location of the liquor shop of the petitioner. Stop. He further submits that the petitioner being the first highest bidder, as per the provision of section 289 of so and so, opportunity ought to have been given to him to shift the
Location.
location if the same location. Stop. Mr. P.N. Goswami, on the other hand, additional senior advocate general, on the other hand, while vehemently opposing the interim prayer, submits that since the petitioner himself in his at the time of application
page 77.
at the time of himself in the, which is this form you said, page?
It's 74, it starts, madam.
No, the
Yes, I-
form is called what form?
It's a tender form, madam.
While submitting the tender form, himself declared that there is a government medical hospital 800 meter, right?
Yes, 800.
About 800 meter within about more than 800 meter,
One hospital.
and
One, no? One hospital.
private hospital, private nursing home approximately
80 meter.
80 meter with how many beds? I cannot read this.
Not 30 bed. At that time, it was not 30 bed.
However, the same is not 30 bed. Stop. He further submits that at the time of the initial at the time of initial inquiry based on the complaints received against the petitioner, the Vishnu Jyoti Super Specialty Hospital had only 15
Beds.
beds. However, later on, permission was given on 4/2/2025. Subsequent to the 3 inquiries which had taken place, which had been conducted against the petitioner, to 30 beds, and thereafter, upon joint verification on 23/5/2025, upon being noticing that the same falls within 50 meters, the impugn speaking order so-and-so has been issued. Issue notice, returnable 3 weeks. Who is accepting, Mr. R.R. Gogoi?
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
R.R. Gogoi accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2,
Four.
3, and 4. And Deka 5. No extra copies within 2 days,
My lord.
tomorrow,
And
unless you want to come and
Yes.
puja so and so, huh? It appears that where is that requirement
Rule 298, madam, 289, madam.
289?
Madam.
It appears that under rule, this is rule
Rule, madam.
289 under the Assam Excise Rules
2016.
2016.
Two 289(2) is the criteria, my lord.
No IMFL and beer retail off license or retail on license shall be established in municipal corporation areas within a distance of hospital is mentioned where?
50 meters, yes,
In respect of municipality.
municipal area.
In municipality and town committee area within a distance of 100 meters and in Gaon Panchayat or equivalent body areas within a distance of 150 meters from any place of public worship or educational institution or hospitals.
That has been again clarified, my lord. May I kindly
Huh.
go to my lord
Even
explanation.
then,
my
my
lord.
lord, I am not.
Which,
Explanation is important, my lord.
pertinent that as per the explanation under rule 289, it is clarified that hospitals for the purpose of this rule means any government hospital, comma, primary health center or primary health unit and includes private nursing home, which has facility of a minimum of 30 beds for treatment of inpatients. Stop. It appears that admittedly, because you agree 30 beds now, that position you are admitting,
My subsequent, my financial.
but you agree that.
That is not furnished to me, they are reports.
Okay, all right. It appears that,
50 meters.
all right, Mr. Mahanta, I'm not hearing. It appears prima facie that there is a private nursing home within so and so as per the joint verification report dated so and so, based on which the speaking order has been filed. The interim, no interim as sought for can be granted at this stage. Relist after so and so. Yes, what was that you said you agreed to some sort of?
If this writ petition is, if the settlement is made subject to outcome of the writ petition, then I have.
However, the settlement in favor of respondent number 5 shall remain subject to the outcome of this writ petition.
Obliged. Deeply.
I shall just edit it little.
My lord.
Yes.
No more.
Caveator was there, na? Caveat discharge then. The caveator Russell, caveat discharge kori diba.
Develop.
Yes.
Yeah, please, order.
Refund of deducted wages.
Yes,
This is under some scheme.
yes.
Yes, Ms. Sharma, you are appearing.
2 and 3 state is the main party.
I think here only notice can be issued at this stage.
Yeah, last, it was listed, your lordship, and there is an interim order. So I have annexed it.
In this petition,
Yes. No, same, similar petition.
On the last Friday also there was a matter, in that case notice was issued.
where?
It is
Which
page
pa-
23, your lordship. Yeah, what happened, your lordship? 7 tea gardens are there.
1 second. Ms. Sharma, page 20. The directions contained in order 17/4/25 shall not be given effect
Yes.
till next date. Same order I can give, I think. This is the same, isn't it?
Same.
Ms. Sharma, have you seen or not page 20? How many petitioners?
You know, earlier there is 7 petitioners, so court has directed me to file separately. So because of that, there is 7 petitioners.
Heard Mr. N.N. Upadhyay, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard MS B. Sharma, learned counsel, learned CGC, learned CGC for respondent number 1. And who else is there?
I'm appealing for 20.
Bokolia for
Respondent number 20.
2 and 3, government counts.
Okay, go to respondent number 4.
Or notice should be.
Okay. By way of this writ petition, comma, the petitioner is
Impugn order is.
is challenging the impugned judgment and order dated 17/4/2025 passed by the Assistant Labour Commissioner Tinsukia in application number 47 to 53/2024. Mr. So-and-so submits that the petition submits that Payment of Wage Act 1936 does not apply in respect of pension or pensionary contributions. All the laborers who were represented by the Assam Karmachari Sangha, correct?
Yes, Sangha.
ACKS Margarita Circle were retired laborers, and these pension and post-retirement benefits are not included in the definition of wages under Section 26 of the Payment of Wages Act 1936. Correct?
Yes.
These are same, right, Margarita? Yes or no?
Yes, Dihing Tea State,
So it comes under which district? Circle.
same circle.
He accordingly submits that the Court of the Authority of Payment of Wage Act 1936, come the Assistant Labour Commissioner Tinsukia, did not have the jurisdiction to pass the impugned order. It appears that in a similarly situated petition, IWPC 4629/2025, the coordinate bench of this court, while issuing notice, has stated the impugned direction contained in the order dated 2017/4/2025 till the next date. Issue notice returnable on 5th. Yes, when? Returnable after 3 weeks. So and so, learned CGC accepts for 1, Bokolia for 2 and 3, and registered post for 4. Huh? Extra copies are steps to Kodiba. Considering the submissions made by learned counsels for the parties, till the next date fixed, the directions contained in the so-and-so order 17 Hirpura Didiba shall not be given effect.
Notice.
Yes,
Second case is also similar.
same.
Yeah.
Same.
Only the name of the tea garden is different.
टी gardener नाम तो सारे कौन है साइल होगा जल्दी कोई सो हाँ respondents are all arrayed in the same fashion.
Same.
Who is appearing?
Gayan is appearing for respondent number 1.
A Gayan for 1 and Bokolia
10, 20.
2 and 3 and 4 registered post. Yes.
Item 4.
Vehicle hiring charges.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Kalita.
The vehicle was hired on my lord 17th.
We'll issue a short date for notice. Heard Mr. N. Kalita, learned so and so. By way of this writ petition, the petitioner is assailing non-release of the vehicle hiring charges, the admitted outstanding vehicle hiring charges, requisition charges, vehicle requisition charges amounting along with wages for the driver
Yes.
amounting to rupees 965,369. Huh? Period by 10. Issue notice, returnable. Give a date after the puja holiday. I'm giving a date considering legitimate dues. Huh? Yes. For all, Mr. Bokolia, for all? 1-2? 123 Bokolia. Who is for the Gulagha, the treasury officer?
Finance section.
Finance, anyone there? HLIA Finance Corridor 4 and register post 5. Give a date after the puja holidays.
27.
5.
Similar, right, Dara? No.
5 is similar.
No.
No, 5 is fraudulent withdrawal of money.
Yes, sir.
Who's withdrawn the money from which is this bank? State Bank.
State Bank, Your Lordship.
So notice has to go.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard R. Sinha, by way of this writ petition, comma, the petitioner is canvassing the
Siphoning of the money from my account, Your Lordship.
the illegal siphoning of the alleged illegal siphoning of money from his account in the State Bank of India. From his account, account bearing number AGM 126. No, what is your account number? Where do I get your account number? The details of your account number?
Yes, Your Lordship. It is at page 25, Your Lordship. Page 25.
The details to DDBA, huh? Account
It's at
number
page
and
25,
bank.
Your Lordship.
Issue notice, returnable 3 weeks, registered post AD.
1 to 5 will go by notice, Your Lordship. 6, 7, 8, I think my learned friend will appear.
Bokolia, 6,
Yeah.
7, 8.
8, 9.
No, 9, up to 9.
Up to 9.
8,
6, 7, 8, and
9.
9.
6, 7, 8,
And 10 also RBI by notice.
Baki khini register post.
Deeply obliged.
They already have presence to DDBA.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this matter, what has happened, Your Lordship, on the issuance of a notice under section 94?
Your account was defreezed,
Yes, Your Lordship, frozen, Your Lordship.
frozen.
Yes, Your Lordship, on
Yes.
the issuance of notice, Your Lordship.
I'm appearing for 1 and 2, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr.
DS Dekar.
DS Deka, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS.
S. Yasmin on behalf of.
S. Yasmin, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers
1 and 2.
1 and 2. By way of this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, comma, the petitioner is seeking direction from the respondent bank, more particularly the respondent number 3, to unfreeze the petitioner's saving bank account bearing saving account number so and so after, within bracket, marking a lien of the disputed transaction rupees 27,500 in words as well only. Itutuma prayer Baba, page 18. Issue notice, returnable 3 weeks. MS so and so accepts notice for 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, and registered post AD. Steps 2 days, extra copies to.
Your Lordship, there is also one aspect, Your Lordship, the Union of India is also made a party, Your Lordship, and the state of Kerala is also made a party to the whole aspect.
So you have to take, you
Yes,
have
sir.
given.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Much obliged.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
7.
I have given registered post
Yes, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
ex gratia.
Yes, Your Lordship. In this case, Your Lordship, petitioner appeared before this honorable.
Yes, who's taking notice? Government,
I am
revenue,
respondent
yes.
number 2, Lord.
And revenue. Yes, Butler is there. All right, issue notice.
Short notice maybe.
Issue notice. Mr. Barwa, you are accepting for additional senior government advocate for respondent numbers 2. And borderline respondent number and HLIA finance and 3. So extra copies, 2 days, Returnable after puja, give a date.
Lordship, date may be given.
Yes, next.
So, Lordship.
Counsel, be more attentive in court. When the court is saying give a date, thereafter no point of the counsel repeating and saying give a date. Be attentive. Just because you have thought in your mind, you come prepared doesn't mean that you go on saying it without knowing what is happening in the court. Be more attentive in court.
My lord, I have a limited prayer in this case.
Yes,
My lord,
Mr.
the
Samre.
representation, page 11, my lord, twice representation that has not been considered. Lordship,
Page
11, my lord, 11. One is the first representation. Second representation 19/5/2025, and page 12, my lord, prior to date, we have also submitted representation.
page in 11.
11, my lord.
Yes, representation for what?
My lord, my conditions of the building is very dilapidated in my lord position. And my lord, I would like to, my lord, dismantle it out, and for that purpose, my lord,
You
I
want to?
dismantle out, my lord. And page 12, my lordship, may I also say?
So who's stopping you?
No, my lord, the GMC intervention is required. They have to take the, my lord.
Intervention is not required, Lordship. If Lordship comes to page 11, Lordship, this is an application under section 343. Now, 343 states, Lordship, if I am in the opinion, if the commissioner is of the opinion.
That's why, my lord, they have to
Page
make a
11,
brief, my lord.
Page 11, Lordship, may kindly consider subject.
Yes.
An application for seeking permission in terms of section 343.
Yes.
Now, 343 states, Lordship, if in the opinion of the commissioner, any building, wall, structure, or anything affixed thereto is in dangerous state.
That is suo motu. Or is also based on some complaint.
It may be on the basis of some complaint also.
And what about if somebody?
He himself is intending to demolish.
Then I
this
don't
building,
think you
Lordship.
need a
Therefore,
permission.
our intervention is
My lord,
required.
what I am saying, my lord.
Then do you, if he wants to
Consideration-
demolish his own building, does he need a permission then?
Not
I don't-
required. No, at least under 340.
But
no
I-
such
It is not-
provision is required.
Yes.
My lord, my prayer is this way, my lord, because my lord is
James,
my lord in
James.
congested area,
James here.
and my lord surroundings area
James.
there, my lord, without intimations or informations, my lord.
So apprehending that someone will complain and all this, you cannot take a
My lord,
order from this court.
My lord, let them.
Where first of all, Mrs. Amuria, please show me that where the
Application.
where there is a power
Yes, my lord.
for the GMC
Yes, my lord.
to entertain this
Yes, my lord,
application
there is
of
power, my
yours.
lord, that power is
Page,
vested by the.
yes, where? Which provision?
My lord.
This code is not under Article 226. This
Yes,
code
ma'am.
cannot be turned into some machine kind of a thing where all orders are being given and sent to the government for consideration of representation.
That
A
lordship,
case has to be first made out.
ma'am,
Yes.
lordship, so far 343 is concerned, my lord. No problem.
Section
343, my lord.
343.
Now it says demolition of building.
One
in-
second. One second, please.
Page 133, my lord.
Page
133. I
one.
think this is, this book is there, my lord.
Yes.
If the opinion of the commissioner any building.
One
was-
second. One second. Now you tell me which regulation,
343, ma'am.
section 3.
343.
340. I think the pages are different.
343.
Yes, I've got it.
My lord, it says there are two conjoined provision with 343 first I am reading.
Yes,
If
please.
in the opinion of the commissioner, any building wall structure, any effects thereto in dangerous state, the commissioner may by notice in writing require the owner of the occupied therefore to remove the same or to cause such repair to be made thereto he consider necessary for the public safety. Now, public safety element is there, my lord. Suppose if I have to do
No,
something.
no, that is if in the opinion of the commissioner.
Now, lordship, kindly read for a moment 342 also. Provision regarding building unfit for human habitations. If after opening the opinion of the engineer, it appears to the commissioner that any building.
That is, the commissioner will have to do it for that. Something has to be there.
Quite right, my lord. Thing is that, my lord, here is a situation.
And I am not. This is not a case that I have to. But Mr. Nayak, I'm only issuing notice. But if you can just simply.
Consideration, man, nothing.
Not consideration. If according to you, this provision is not applicable, so this and.
I believe for some reason he is trying to involve GMC with that.
No, anyway, heard notice.
Lots will dispose of this matter. Lots will direct the authority, let him approach to
Consider
the
it.
authority. Authority will take a decide. If it is not
Alright.
required intervention of
Yes.
GMC, then
Absolutely.
GMC will convey that.
All right. Heard Mr. S. Samarial, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Nayak, learned advocate, additional advocate general,
All the rest.
state respondent, within brackets, huh? Yes. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking due consideration of the representations dated 1/8/2024 and 29/5/2025, submitted by the petitioner before the office of the respondent number.
My lord, respond number, okay. 2 and 3, my lord.
Who is this respondent? Associate.
Commissioner. Second is associate.
Respondent number
2 and 3, my lord.
2. Look, that cannot be 2 and 2.
My lord, first implementation.
2 and 3.
depends on the-
Respondent numbers 2 and 3. For
Respond number.
seeking permission in terms of section 343 of the GMC Act 1971 in order to demolish the old structure of the RCC building standing backside of the newly constructed building of late, so, এখানে তুমি আর পাই যাবা, huh? Page 11 of DD আমার mark করে থৈছো। Stop. It appears that the grievance of the petitioner canvassed is non-consideration of the efforts of the said application dated so and so till date. B, it is not, Mr. P. Nayak so and so submits that under the provision of section 343, no permission is required from the GMC by the owner of a building, correct? To demolish this structure therein.
Lordship, they reverse the center, Lordship. Under 343, Lordship, such permission is required only when the commissioner is of the opinion.
Unless, I'll just say this, unless the commissioner is in the opinion in terms of section 342 and 343 of the said act that such a measure for demolishing the building is required. Stop. Just read that sentence. Read. Mr. P. Nayak submission.
May I intervene if lordship-
1 second.
Okay.
This is his submission. You want to now add in his submission?
No, lordship, better
Yes.
to withdraw, my lord, because otherwise it makes. That's why, my lord. Instead of
Withdraw.
logistic that,
Instructions to not to press and withdraw. Dismissed.
deeply aware.
Dismissed on withdraw, no? Yes.
For admit item number 10.
Item number?
Yeah.
Very good.
Land acquisition compensation.
My lord.
Yes.
What, my lord, in another case, my lord, was decided by the High Court, my lord, I have to file an additional affidavit, that.
You want to file here?
Additional affidavit.
Okay, as prayed for by Mr.
M. Hussain.
M. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner to file to file additional affidavit as prayed for. আগতে কলো নেকি as prayed?
Item 11 and 12.
Here the counters from respondent number 1 and 4 are awaited. Last opportunity was given on the last date.
Yeah.
As far as the other respondents, we've received responses, we've also filed rejoinders.
Who has to file counters?
1 and 4.
Who's appearing for 1 and 4?
One manner, I have received an instruction ballot.
Keep it with you. Why you want to pass? If you have received the instructions, you
This
place
is
it
the
by way of an
department,
affidavit.
But
Hmm.
that is also.
Number 1. And who's the other one?
Respondent number 4.
Who's appearing
AIDC.
for?
I'm appearing for it.
What about you?
You can find out.
Have you received today? Okay. Heard Mr. D. Das,
Please, yeah.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard. Please give all your representations. MSA Gayan, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 1, submits that the instructions has been received by her office and the same is going to be placed by way of return. MS, your name.
And,
So and so, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 4.
yes.
4 submits that return on behalf of the aforesaid respondent shall be filed within the course of the day. In view of the aforesaid, relist after 3 weeks. 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Petitioner, if so advised, may file rejoinder to the affidavit in oppositions filed by the respondents in the meantime.
My lord, in this matter, with regard to respondent number 7, I am appearing for the respondent number 7, my lord, the liquidator. The liquidator has been changed. So the new liquidator may be.
Then he may have.
Given the order, my lord, NCLP order.
I
So,
may be permitted.
Mr. P. Chaudhary, right?
Lord,
Mr. P. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for respondent number
7, my lord.
7.
Kuldeep Parma.
7 submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, the
Liquidator.
liquidator
Respondent
has
was-
been replaced by whom? That name is
Kumar
yeah.
Gupta.
By
Arun Kumar Gupta.
Arun Kumar Gupta.
Second page, my lord.
Second page, right?
Right.
Yes. By Arun Kumar Gupta. Mr. D. Das submits that in the meantime, his office shall do the needful in this regard. Do it, whatever you want to do. Give this copy to him.
I have a copy.
I've asked, please ask your juniors to give the appearance slips because too many councils I can see the other side. It only takes a lot of judicial time in recording each one of the name, but nonetheless, all your names will be recorded in the order, rest assured. Just give it to the court master. Yes, next please.
Deeply obliged, ma'am.
13 and 14.
My pleasure, my lordship. This is actually land acquisition matter. My lord. So on the day before, yesterday, my lord, the affidavit filed by the deputy commissioner. So I have to file a my lord,
All right.
reply to it. My lord.
As prayed for by Mr.
A.K. Talukdar.
A.K. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by
Respondent number 7. My lord.
respondent number 7.
Affidavit is not available.
It appears that the said affidavit filed on behalf of respondent number 7 is not available on record. Registry verify and place the same on record.
My lord, the item, my lord, next item, contempt item, my lord. In this matter, my lord, except my lord 2, 3, 4, and 9, my lord, 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8 not filed yet, my lord. No,
In item 14.
yes.
Yes, who is going to file?
Lordship, one affidavit you have already filed.
On behalf
What about the others?
2, 3, 4 filed, my lord.
Lordship, I have.
2, 3, 4 filed, yes.
Give me the file. Why are you not giving? It's a contempt, so all the contemptness, unless of course you're very confident that you have nothing to do.
But I have just one observation I am seeing from your lordship. Lordship, in the main case, lordship, there is an order dated 19/12/2024. And in the last line, lordship, one line is there. Meanwhile, there shall be no eviction of the writ petitioner without following prescribed procedure under the relevant statute. We have-
Against that, this contempt has been filed.
Yes, against this order contempt has been filed. But so far as the petitioner is concerned, lordship, I can place just now, lordship, the affidavit of the government is not before your lordship. Due notice was issued to him.
Is not before this court, that affidavit.
Yes. Lord.
Who is
That-
going to file that?
Affidavit filed by the government in the main case, lordship, is not on
That
record.
affidavit.
So anyway, but you see, even this being a contempt case,
No, my only concern is that it's a public project, lordship. It's a widening of road from that.
no, but what can be done
Object-
right now?
Lordship, only relaxation I want, lordship, if due procedure, if
No,
they have.
no, I'm
accepted-
sorry, Mr. Nayak, that
Those-
affidavit
those-
is not before this court.
Those who have.
I'm sorry.
accepted the money.
That cannot be done in this way. The affidavit is also not before this court. If an IA is
In
filed,
the contempt, I have filed, lordship.
but contempt, that affidavit is also not here in the contempt.
In the contempt affidavit is there, lordship, in record.
Who has filed it?
It is by the
And how can I pass some order in the contempt case? Contempt
is
case can be
basically-
only closed.
Lordship,
I
the-
cannot pass any directions in a
the
contempt
contempt
case.
lordship allegation is that that particular order has been violated.
All right, after considering everything, if this court finds it is not violated, we'll close the contempt. What more can be done in a
Our
contempt case?
project has got stalled, lordship. That is. the
Not
only
because of
cause.
this contempt case. Not because of this
yes,
contempt
because
case.
of the main case, lordship.
Correct. So that you seek whatever to be done in the main case, Mr. Nayak.
Lordship may fix a date, lordship.
All right,
earlier.
give a date.
in the main case, reply is filed perhaps after 8 months.
Very well. I can give a date after 3 weeks.
My lord.
Give a date after 3 weeks. And in the contempt, who has to now file? Anybody wants to file? Otherwise, I will record that except
My lord, service report of 8.
4 and 9.
Yes, my lord, 2, 3, 4 and 9. My lord.
2,
3, 4 and 9.
4 and 9 has
9.
filed, right?
Filed, my lord.
Filed.
9 is deleted, my lord. 9 is deleted, 2, 3, 4 filed.
2, 3, 4, these are all PW departments.
They have
lordship.
filed, I
They have,
think.
yes, filed.
Because I see there is
My
an
lord, 1,
affidavit.
5, 6, 7 and 8 not filed. And 8, my lord, service report is yet not been, my lord,
Respondent number?
8. He is the main person, circle officer. No AD, no return, my lord.
So take fresh steps.
My lord.
Office note dated 28/8/2025 indicates that no AD card or unserved notice has been received in respect of respondent number 8 yet. Let fresh steps be taken. Let steps fresh be taken within a period of 2 days from today.
And 1,
It further
1, 5, 6, 7,
appears
my lord. 1,
that
5, 6, 7.
the respondent number 2, 4.
2, 3, 4 filed, my lord.
No, I don't think 3. Page 37 is 2 and 4.
My lord, the affidavit is, my lord, like detail like
2, 3 and 4.
2, 3 and 4.
2, 3 and 4 has filed an additional affidavit
lord,
on
affidavit opposition, my lord.
27. Mr. Counsel
Sorry, my lord.
has filed an affidavit on 20. Oops, it'll date to Salva, is stamped document unlegible who has 27/5/2025 and respondent number 9 has filed on 23/2025. Relist after 3 weeks, relist along with him main case to local data.
This matter on Friday, lordship will give a try.
No.
That in the meantime, that
Reopening.
it will be.
Sorry, Mr. Nayak. Next.
Okay.
Reopening officer did the joke. Next.
Item 15.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, yeah, we are supposed to file an affidavit, my lord. We are filing during the course of the day, ma'am.
Okay. Mr.
And thus, ma'am.
and Mr. N. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondents. All respondents.
No, my.
Respondent number?
6, my lord.
Respondent number 6 submits that an that return shall be filed within the course of the day. Do you want to file any rejoinder? Otherwise, I'll fix it after opening.
No, my lord, I have already filed on.
Okay. Relists after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the
Date,
registry.
my lord. My lord, may I pray for a date, my lord?
All right. Next.
16. Yes, Lord.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi, what is this?
Lordship, non-payment of contractual dues, your lordship.
Hmm.
File or affidavit.
You have filed?
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
So let the chief engineer verify the claim and pay, your lordship.
Dispose of,
Dispose
you
of,
mean?
lordship.
Where is your, 1 second. Where is your affidavit?
So that's on page 19, your lordship.
Page
19.
19. Para 5.
Para 5.
So basically it is now due to non available of fund. That's the grind. That cannot be. It's admitted.
The executor admitted, your lordship.
That certificate is there. I think page. Just give me that, the admission of the executive engineer. Heard MS,
D Angana.
B,
D Angana.
B.
I can write it.
Yes, please. So and so learned counsel, also heard Mr. R.R. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, PHE. Stop. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the writ petitioner is seeking release of the outstanding contractor's bill amount of the petitioner amounting to rupees 7,83,867 within words only against the work order executed by the petitioner in connection what?
The work order is at page 13, your lordship.
Page 13.
Yes.
13 and 14.
13 and 14.
In connection with what is the number?
Work order issued
By additional chief engineer. Page number 13 and 14.
In connection with work orders, in connection with paragraph 4, Baba. In connection with work orders, namely, number 1, Malikidisu, 1 or 2. In connection with work orders. In 2 work orders, in connection with 2 work orders issued by the additional chief engineer PHE, Lower Assam Zone, Bamni Maidan, Guwahati. Stop. It appears that the work executed by the petitioner under the aforesaid 2 work has been admitted by the
executive engineer, lordship.
executive
Executive engineer, PHE,
engineer PHE,
store and workshop division, Bedkuti.
store and
Workshop division.
workshop division,
Bedkuti.
Bedkuchi. Stop.
That page 15 and 16 is there.
15 and
15 and 16.
15 and 16 app reproduce kori diba lagile, huh? It further appears that the respondent in the affidavit in opposition filed on so and so stated as under 5 and 6. It appears that the admitted outstanding dues of the petitioners has been pending due to non-availability of funds. Non-availability of fund cannot be a ground for depriving the legitimate dues of a petitioner. Accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of with a direction in the interest of justice, with a direction to the respondent authorities to accord approval
Verify. Chief engineer will verify.
to respondents to verify and
If found admitted.
if found and if upon such verification the petitioner is found to be entitled, the same shall be released within a period of
3 months, your lordship. As per terms,
3 months within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order. Disposed of.
Yes.
In this case, I am supposed to file affidavit, lordship.
All right, Mr. Sharma, how much time?
On by 21st, lordship, I will file.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Nath.
Yes.
Heard Mr. H.K. Nath, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma, learned standing counsel fishery.
Yes, sir.
Stop. Mr. So-and-so fisheries seeks 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks further time to file a return in the matter. Priori is not opposed. Released after.
From the last occasion, they said affidavit was ready.
You are opposing after 2 weeks, huh? On a date to be fixed by the registry.
15.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Relist after appearance in the relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
20.
Lordship, in this petition, there is very limited prayer, Lordship.
Yes, what is the limited prayer?
Lordship, one representation was submitted before the executive officer for taking, making inquiry in respect of child marriage of a Panchayat representative, Lordship, under the rules, Lordship. That was filed on 35/2025, Lordship.
30?
5/2025. Then thereafter, a reminder also submitted, Lordship, on 11/6/2025. My limited prayer is that
Reminder on?
11/6/2025, Lordship.
Yes.
My prayer is that the direction may be issued to dispose of this.
Which pages will I find these two?
Page 52 is the first application, Lordship. Annexure C,
52.
Lordship.
And the second?
Second one, reminder is page 59, Lordship.
Yes. What do you have to say?
Only dispose of after hearing all. Instruction is awaited, my lord, with regard to this one.
He is only seeking for consideration of these representations. Can it be disposed of?
Yes.
Yes, you want to say something?
I am appearing for respondent 6 by filing Wakalatnama.
You have filed Wakalatnama today?
No,
Huh?
in 9 September.
Huh. So are you agreeable for disposal of the writ petition with the direction that the representations will be considered within a period of time in accordance with law?
Yes.
And I have want to file a affidavit in opposition.
I think he has not followed. Just
representation
are you agreeable to that?
Okay.
You are the private respondent.
Yes.
So then I will say that after hearing the
Yes, all
parties,
If I submit, this petition is also not maintainable. They are not legally agreed.
then that's all right. If an
only-
representation is filed, you look into it. Huh, Mr. Chaudhary?
Yes, madam. Madam, only point is, my lord, that we submitted it as per law, my lord. We have submitted to the,
Correct. So I'm disposing it of.
yes, my lord, should be there, my lord. This one.
Heard Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Hussain, M.K. Hussain, Learned Counsel for the parties. Also heard Mr. N. Das, Learned Counsel appearing, yes, Standing Counsel, PWRD, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number 3, and Mr. Huh?
A Sharma.
A. Sharma for respondent number 6, and yes, P. AB. Esther for respondent number 2. None appears for the other official respondents. Remaining respondents. By way of this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is canvassing the grievance canvassed in the instant writ petition is non-consideration of the application dated 30/5/2025 filed by the petitioners under Rule 62 within bracket 4D of the Assam Panchayat Constitution Rules 1995 as amended, read with section 1112F of Assam Panchayat Act 1995 as amended, for removal of respondent number 6 from the post of Anchalik Panchayat member from Sanaidi Anchalik Panchayat constituency of Hazo Anchalik Panchayat. Stop. It appears that Nakoba. The brief facts of the case is that the respondent number 6 was elected on 11/5/2025 as the Anchalik Panchayat member from Sanaidi Anchalik Panchayat constituency of Hazo Anchalik Panchayat. It is the specific case of the writ petitioner that the respondent number 6 has solemnized child marriage on 15/3/2012 with Maidul Haq, alias Maidul Islam. It is the further specific case of the writ petitioner that despite application filed for removal of the respondent number 6 from the set post of Anchalik Panchayat member, which was further followed by an application on 11/6/2025, no action till date has been taken. Upon hearing the learned counsels for the parties, it appears that the instant writ petition can be disposed of in the interest of justice by directing the respondent authorities to consider to dispose of the pending application dated 30/5/2025
11/6.
strictly in accordance with law by giving due opportunity to the parties concerned within a period of
Within a period of puja vacation is 4 weeks, man.
4 weeks from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order disposed of.
Both the orders may be mentioned, madam, because one is submitted to executive, other is submitted to deputy commissioner. Page 59.
Same,
Reminder only, man.
that is a reminder.
No, madam, it is addressed to the deputy commissioner.
Dispose of the application date, so do I read it? So and so and so and so.
11/6/20 all. Obliged to them.
21.
Mr. Chaudhary, I think maybe we can, I'll edit it. I will say that the petitioner shall file, you submit all the relevant documents once again.
Yes.
That would be better. I'll just edit that part.
That would-
Huh? So then from the, correct, correct, that would be better. So from the date of receipt of those.
Now, we will file earlier, madam, within 1 week, and there may be disposed within 1 week. Thereafter, madam.
Of the date of receipt of the documents.
All right. Into October. Direction to judicial of giving liberty to the petitioner to file it fresh with all relevant documents. That's it. Yes,
This is a contractual payment of the fee.
respondent.
Lordship, I apologize before your lordship. Actually, this case is handled by Mr. P. Nayak, and I'm unable to properly address the court because no instructions has been obtained. If possible, lordship, I seek for some accommodation to obtain my instructions regarding this.
All right.
No, my lord. It is.
That's all right. But they want some time. This is the third time it has come after notice.
No, first time, no, already 4 weeks gone. Then.
Correct, Mr. Counsel. On the next, we are giving a last opportunity. After that, if nothing comes, we shall proceed in accordance with law. Heard Mr. PCR Mehdi,
Yes, sir.
Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. I also heard Mr.
Lordship, P. Nayak's name will be recorded.
P. Nayak,
Yes, Lord.
P. Nayak, so and so. Upon the prayer of the respondent counsel, the matter is posted after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent file return in the matter. Stop. However, in view of the objection raised by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, canvassing the urgency in the matter, no further chance shall be given to the respondents for filing return after the next date of listing. Not given. Extra copy is not given.
That's what I have been told regarding this particular matter.
Yes.
already to four.
Extra copies has not been served. You have to give them extra copy. There is no extra copy notice also here in the file. Yes, please, good night. এখানে কাটিয়ে দিয়ক। Yes, before you post,
No, my lord.
you see the file, saying no will not help. Look at the file. Where is the proof of the extra copy? Heard Mr. PCR Mehdi, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. So-and-so, draws the attention of this court that despite issuance of notice, no extra copies has been furnished till date. Let extra copies be furnished within 2 days from today. Relist after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry. It is needless to be clarified that by the next date of listing, the respondent shall file their necessary return.
22.
Yes, Mr. Roy?
My lord, this is a tender matter, my lord.
Huh?
This matter we are taken up after some time, my lord. Mr. K. will read, my lord.
What is a tender matter?
Tender matter, madam.
Affidavits have been filed.
File exchange, my lord. Only thing is, there is a small issue, my lord, that the tender was evaluated on the basis of market price. But there is no concept market price in the tender document. The tender has to be evaluated in a particular form, my lord, that date of dispatch, that is at page 27, maybe see, my lord.
And just briefly say, because then I will see whether
Yes.
to yes, go ahead or keep it for some time.
He's asking for some time, my lord. I have no issue to that, my lord. But
So just briefly, what is the issue involved?
yes, issue is this, my lord, that tender was.
Because you see, there may not be time for going too deep into the matter. That is
Right.
why I'm trying to understand it.
Right.
What is the issue?
Right. The tender is that, my lord, the tender was.
If it can be disposed of at the admission stage, I shall go ahead and hear, because it seems pleadings are already filed. Otherwise,
And-
we'll have to admit it and post it for hearing.
And tender was opened, my lord, technical bid was considered, but till now the tender has not been settled, my lord. No price bid is not open. The technical evaluation was going on since last, I think.
You are seeking what direction?
My lord, yeah, actually there was first initially tender, my lord. Then there was retender, my lord, my tender was cancelled on 2 grounds, my lord. One is that unreasonable rate, my lord. And number 2, I'm only the single bidder left to that. But that was happened only after opening of the tender. Then they went on, gone on opening of the price bid also, my lord. So once I've came to this court, my lord, that the price bid is open, so I should have considered, or they should have negotiated with me. So that was not done. Then the interim order, of course, I got the initial date of filing. Then subsequently, in the interim order was vacated. Now thereafter, the tender was open, my lord. Till date, the tender has not been finalized, my lord.
So your grievance is the non-finalization of the tender.
Not that is, we are asking for the first tender, my lord, that the tender was floated and they have evaluated on the basis of market
The
price.
matter will need a full-fledged hearing.
Small issue, my lord. That is only the market price.
We'll have to go into the records, isn't
Lordship-
it?
Lordship,
What do you have to say?
In fact, my lord, this matter may has become infectious because in Gibraltar, they have already evaluated.
All right, let Mr. Gogoi come.
Yes, my lord.
At 2, my lord.
No, no.
23.
Ask Mr. Gogoi to be here.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Roy, be there, sir.
Lordship, this is a repetition for non-disposal of issuance of NOC for composite land sales and for Lordship.
23. Service is completed.
Yes, Lordship.
First time after notice. Yes, Miss Burman. All right. Are you appearing for everyone?
One and two.
So only you both, right? No one else.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Heard Mr. S.M.
N.A. Majar Bhuiyan.
N.N. Na?
N.A.
N.A. Heard Mr. N.A. Majar Bhuiyan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S. M. Burman, learned learned state counsel. And
326.
Within bracket, respondent number
326.
326, and Mr. A. Bhattacharya, learned standing counsel, revenue. Within bracket, respondent numbers 1 and 2. MS so and so seeks
3 weeks, Mike.
3 weeks to file submit return. prayers are allowed, released after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Supplementary is item number 30.
None appears for the petitioner on call, release.
Lordship, no, an instruction has been received as pursuant to the earlier order. Lordship may close it, the matter
Yes.
is keeping it record.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Heard MS M. Burman, Learned State Council, and Revenue, Mr. Bhattacharya, Mr. A. Bhattacharya, Learned Standing Council, Revenue Department. Stop. It appears that on the last
Three occasions.
three
were-
occasion as well, no, four. Four.
I have checked up to.
No, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 occasions. 6/11/2024, comma 2/12/2024, comma 22/9/2024, 5, and 17/9/2025 as well. There was no representation on behalf of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. It appears that today as well, despite the name of the learned counsel appearing in the cause list, in the supplementary cause list, there is no representation. Stop. It appears that in terms of the last court's order, I-17/9/1995, MS Burman, Learned State Council, has obtained instruction as regards whether the grievance raised in this writ petition has been redressed by the respondent authorities or not. MS Burman, so and so, places the instruction received thereof by letter dated 29/2025, issued by the additional district commissioner within bracket revenue Dorong Mongoldoy, whereby
Stated that.
it is
the petitioners
stated
have already-
that as per reports received from the circle officers, Siporjar and Pub Mongoldoy Revenue Circle, comma, the petitioners in WPC 5273/2022 has already been relocated to number 1 Magurmari Algachar Attakata Chapori under Pub Mongoldoy Revenue Circle. That being so, it appears that nothing survives for adjudication in the instant writ petition. So I'll dismiss it on merit.
Maybe.
That accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed.
Okay.
31.
Asylum, non-prosecution.
May I please elaborate?
Yes.
My lord, the matter relates to my lord land acquisition, my lord. My lord, what happened, my lord, present 2 petitioners, my lord.
Yes,
Total-
Mr. Chaudhary,
Total land,
you are appearing for
I'm appearing for the private respondent numbers 5 to 8.
my lord,
5 to 8 private respondents.
Private
Who's appearing for the state?
I am appearing.
What about affidavits? You all have filed? All the affidavits have been filed, matter is ready otherwise.
my lord, in fact, my lord, a small issue, my lord. My lord, in fact, 63 lessons of land has been acquired, my lord.
Sorry,
63 lessons.
63 lecture, yes.
63 lessons land has been acquired, and my lord, petitioner number 1, petitioner number 1's land, my lord, 13 lesser. This is admitted fact, my lord. And on the other hand, my lord, we have petitioner number 2. Since their name has not been mutated, my lord.
How can we be petitioner number 2? You are not for petitioner number 1.
My lord, petitioner number 2 petitioner are there, my lord. He had
And you are representing one petitioner.
two petitioner.
Then,
My lord,
then why are you saying we?
my lord, petitioner number 1 lands, my lord.
Got it, 13
13
lecture.
lesser has
And
been
petitioner number 2?
Petitioner number 2, my lord, that is 15 lesser disputed. They are disputing. Respondent number, private respondent number 5 to 8. They are
Now the
disputing.
land acquisition compensation is being kept at a halt because of the dispute raised by the private respondent.
My
Is
sub-
that the issue?
My,
the issue, my
But there is a mechanism under the 2013 Act is applicable.
Yes.
Yes, which is that section?
76.
Huh?
76.
my lord, may I submit, my lord, one?
1 second, Mr. Manaf. What do you want to submit? Tell me.
15 lesser is disputed. That will be kept, they, party interested, my lord, they will approach the reference court. And other land, my lord, 13 lesser and 36 letter in respect of private restaurant number 5 to
Which is
8.
that section?
That may be.
Put the reference, my lord. And the procedure 76.
Yes, it can be disposed
My
of
lord,
by,
dispose of.
they can go before
Yes, my
that
lord.
if there is any
As regard, my lord, 15 lesser.
No, no, I will not say all that. They are whatever the dispute is, because award is already given,
Already met, my lord.
isn't it?
Award is already made. Dispute with regard to the minor, how much lessers is there?
So
Minor
that's
approach-
disputed.
76 dispute resolution.
Dispute is
15 lesser.
76, my lord, when the amount of compensation has been settled, if any dispute arises to the approach, Senate to the same or any part thereof,
yes.
person to whom the same or any part thereof is payable, the collector may refer such dispute to the
Yes.
authority.
Yes.
Authority is the district judge, my lord.
My lord, my
I think this can be disposed of in terms of section 76 of the 2013 Act.
My lord,
Right.
Yes.
my submission before your lordship, my lord, since 15 lesser is disputed, that may be kept. And
No,
my
no,
lord,
we are not on that. You have come before this writ court, and this is there seems to be an alternative remedy available. If the dispute is that you could have it could have already been referred to the appropriate authority.
my lord, then my lord, till then, my lord, award may not be, my lord, dispersed, my lord, awarded amount. My lord, if my lord, award has been, is disposed of, my lord, released, my lord, the petition number 2 will be prejudiced, my lord. My lord, since, my lord, why, my lord, I am submitting before your lordship, they are on possession since the year 1996.
1 second.
Ultimately, the authority will more basic to
I think para 77(2) will come first, isn't it? Or if there be any dispute as to the title to receive the fine or as to the apportionment of it, the collector shall deposit the amount of compensation in the authority to which a reference under section 34 would be submitted.
Amount is already there, my lord.
Amount is there. Now the problem is as regards the apportionment.
Yes,
Correct.
my lord. And
So
our-
that has to be referred
to the authority, my lord.
to the
By
authority.
collector to the authority, and authority is, my lord, the district judge.
District judge.
Because our affidavit is very much clear, my lord, that.
Which paragraph?
Paragraph 5,
1 second.
page 48. Maybe? Page 40, page 40.
Page.
Page 40, my lord.
Mr. Roy, you may ask your junior to coordinate with Mr. Gogoi and then you both can come together. The only thing is that I do not have too many matters on board after this. So page 40.
Paragraph 5.
Page 40, paragraph 5.
My lord,
Planning page 52, my lord.
52, correct.
page 52. In page 52.
Yes, I finally got 54. There are too many pages, all different markings. Yes, para 5.
First on the Paul is the possessor of
Who
the.
is he? Who is the petitioner?
Is a
Petitioner
petitioner,
number 1.
one of the petitioner, madam.
Yes.
The land measuring 13 lessa of the said duct through, though he has not been a recorded patadar. My lord, a recorded patadar.
Okay, then.
If he's not a recorded patadar, my lord.
My lord,
Mayor
Mr.
possessing.
Manav,
my-
would you allow the state respondent to submit? You see, I am not hearing either you or the private respondent. I'm just trying to understand the facts from the state respondent. Because there is an alternative mechanism available under the statute. You have approached, this is not a civil court that you have come before.
My lord.
You have come before the 226 court. Yes.
The 13 lessa of the said duct through he has not been a recorded patadar. My lord, the question will be arise whether a mere possession will give a right to the compensation.
Yes.
That dispute can be only be settled through the authority, my lord. And authority is the district judge. The another co-patadar, namely Sujit Paul, is not a patadar or possessor of the said accurate land. It's very much clear.
Sanjit Paul.
Sanjit Paul.
He is the second one.
Second one. It's a mere possessor, my lord. It's not a recorded patadar. Mere possessor has got right for any compensation or not. Let the authority decide.
So there is a dispute
Yes.
as regards the title as well.
Only a mere possessor.
So there is a dispute regarding
Yes,
the title.
Yes, yes.
Correct. Mr. Deka, you are for the private respondent.
For the prime.
It appears that an alternative mechanism is available under the 2013 Act, Section 76.
Yes, 76.
76.
Yes.
So I do not understand. I don't think
In fact, that point
this
was-
petition can be entertained in this manner.
No,
So
if I may suggest one thing, Manoj. In fact, I had a word with my friend also. There's a scope for a consent order in the sense the total land acquired is 64 lechas.
64 lessons, yes.
63. Manav, 63 or 64?
64 lessons.
64 lechas. Now,
Yes.
now out of this, Manoj,
Mr. Manav has said,
Yeah.
I think out of 64, 13 lecha belongs to petitioner number 1, and there is no dispute to that.
there is no dispute to that.
Only dispute is 15 lecha in case of petitioner number 2.
Two.
Yes.
And which is otherwise earmarked for me. So that I am entitled to 36 lechas is also not in dispute, Manoj. In fact, the projection that was initially made was that their part of the entire compensation has come to me, which is not factually correct. In fact, compensation is earmarked also for them. So with this stay order, Manoj, the entire money is held up. Now, the limited submission that I want to make is, since 36 lecha I am entitled, there is no dispute. 13 lechas petitioner number 1 is entitled, there is no dispute. The only dispute is with regard to 15 lechas, Manoj. Now, if they go for a reference after this, Manoj, the entire money may get held up again. So therefore, if the disputed quantum is just 15 lechas, Manoj, rest of the money can be released and they can approach, both the parties can approach the reference court for the apportionment dispute, Manoj, insofar as 15 lechas is concerned.
Where do I get all this? In your affidavit in reply?
My lord, I filed an affidavit in.
Where do I get it? Which paragraph?
My lord, lordship kindly see.
I think
Page-
para 7?
Page.
Para 7?
No.
Page 97?
98.
I think from 97 it
Yes.
starts para 7, where I see 64.
My lord.
Then,
98, running page 98, my lord. My lord,
so this position, Mr. Deka, you also accept.
my lord, I also accept.
Yes.
You both are accepting this
My lord,
position.
my lord.
No, the position.
Correct. Only the dispute is 15 L.
15 lechas.
Only mere possessor.
Paragraph 8, my lord.
But the affidavit filed by the state government, how can this court ignore that page, paragraph 5 of the state government's affidavit?
Yes, my lord. My lord,
They are disputing
But
There-
they have disputed in the sense, my lord, they have also earmarked compensation for them for 13 lakhs, my lord, maybe as possessors or whatever. So that amount, if it is, because the state has also itself in the award said that they are entitled to 13 lakhs possessory right, 21 lakh.
My affidavit is different. I'm saying that there is not a recorded patadar. Either a mayor producer can agree.
You sort it out. It cannot be merely just,
clarify
Mr.
that,
Deka, that would, it has to be clarified. Otherwise, I understand that sending it right now may
Prejudice both the.
prejudice both the parties. That is why I am not disposing it of today. I can keep this matter for Friday or on the reopening date. Either come up with an additional affidavit
Yes.
or a joint affidavit by both parties, then based on that, this court can
Very good.
look into the matter. So I'm not indicating anything right now. You find out what can be done. You want it on Friday or on the first day of the reopening? I think first day of the reopening would be better.
Very good.
Heard Mr. AF, na?
A Mannaf.
A Mannaf, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Yes.
And
Das, Learned Standing Counsel,
No, state council.
Learned State Counsel, and Mr. B. Deka,
4528.
BD, right, Debango.
Yes.
BD Deka, Learned Counsel for the respondent number
528.
528. Aspirate for relist on such and such date, first day to date. I have not indicated, but you see, to pass an order which you both are seeking, the hurdle is the state's
No,
affidavit.
the state also
So
actually. there's a-
clarify that
Right.
on that date. If a joint affidavit is perhaps there, then it would be easier.
Right.
Item 22.
Yes, Mr. Gogo, you are back?
Yes. For 22 lawsuit, tender process, he was participated lawsuit. And technical bid was open, financial bid is yet to open. So as per my latest instruction also. So madam, I kindly place the order at 22/8/2025 lawsuit.
That's the
whole thing is
vacated the.
Whole.
Their stand is that, my lord, they have evaluated the tender on the basis of the market price. But that is not the tender process, my lord. The tender process, it is a new thing, my lord, that they are saying that.
The interim order is vacated.
Vacated.
The detailed order was passed by the.
But this was not placed before the.
All right, I am admitting it for hearing. Heard Mr. J. Roy, Leonard Senior Counsels, assisted by Mr. Initial I keep forgetting. PK Munir, Leonard Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. K. Gogoi Leonard, you are appearing as
Additional senior.
additional senior government counsel. Anybody else?
No.
Stop. It appears that the pleadings are completed.
Lordship,
The matter requires full-fledged hearing, admit for hearing. No formal notice as parties are represented by respective councils. List for hearing on given date after the opening.
Well, only one issue is there, my lord, involved. Lordship may see that, my lord, that market price is not the basis.
That's all right. We will have it for hearing. It cannot be disposed of. Every matters cannot be disposed of at the
But-
admission
but
stage, Mr.
They
Roy.
have- they have not opened the price bid, my lord.
Very well, we'll figure it. We'll see on that date. Yes, give it
Lordship-
date. I'm giving you a short date, Mr. Roy, or you wanted, all right, then November on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord,
Yes, next.
Let it be, my lord.
Next, I've been asking you.
I'm saying that, my lord, reopening, my lord, on 19th, my lord,
You are correct?
18th,
Episode.
23rd.
Yes, next. 23rd, Mr. Roy.
Orders item number 26.
But outcome will be dependent on the outcome of this.
I'm not saying anything. There's already an interim vacated by this court. Anyway, next.
Item 26 for order.
In this case, for the second time also I took step, my lord.
Huh?
For the second time also took steps, my lord. Against, my lord, for respondent number, my lord, 3, private respondent. So, that's the, would be one of the mode, my lord, you can have.
You have already taken twice.
Twice, my lord. But
So you
two
want
is
to take it now by Dusty?
Dusty, because
All right.
it's in the.
Heard Mr. H. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard MS D. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, for respondent numbers 1 and 2. It appears that the office note dated 16/9/2025 indicates that neither the AD card nor any unserved notice has been received in respect of respondent number 3. It further appears that Mr. H.K. Das so and so submits that earlier also on 2 occasions fresh steps has been fresh steps has been taken in respect of the respondent number 3 as per this court's earlier orders. However, on both, there was no outcome thereof. He accordingly seeks service by Dusty mode in respect of R3. Prayer is allowed. Let an affidavit of service be filed thereof. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
27.
Yes, stay of the execution proceedings. Yes.
My lord, here in this case, my lord,
Yes,
filed an
Mr.
IA.
So here in the main case of WPC number 7566, there is a stay lawsuit. And affidavit is, we have received a affidavit has already been hitting lawsuit.
Huh?
Affidavit has, we have received the affidavit lawsuit. We are
Affidavit in where?
in WPC lawsuit.
You are filing the affidavit. When?
On tomorrow, we can file lawsuit because we have received the affidavit.
Let them file the affidavit
IA
then.
lawsuit.
In the IA.
In IA, no, lawsuit. In IA, we on last occasion, we requested to give us a copy, some copy for instruction lawsuit, that we have not received lawsuit.
You have not given.
We have given copy.
Mr. Sir, anyway, you sort it out outside the court, please.
We'll furnish.
You furnish it.
Yes.
Then heard Mr. A.R. Sikdar, Land Counsel for the applicant, stroke writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. Locker.
Yes,
Huh?
Locker.
P.S. Locker, Learned Counsel. You're appearing as
CGC lawsuit.
Learned CGC. Stuff. Mr. Suwen submits that the extra copies of the extra copies of what? The writ petition and the IA of the IA has not yet been furnished upon his office. Let the same be furnished within the course of the day. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent file objection in the interlocutory application.
Interim shall continue.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
Develop.
Hearing item number 28.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioners, they are hailing from.
In the writ petition not Koilibar, take the time Luisa for filing affidavit. That affidavit is ready, is gone for vetting and accordingly fixed time to Vilai Diba. একেলগেও কৰি দিব পৰা bit আৰু এইটো. Yes.
My lord, petitioners, 74 in numbers, they are hailing from Dima Hasao district.
Yes.
Their land has been taken by the authority for construction of road under Assam Mela scheme. Assam Mela scheme.
Yes.
And their prime grievance is that while their land has been taken, no procedure has been followed. Neither the Land Acquisition Act of 1894 nor the 2013 Act has been followed by them. No notification has been notified.
How can that be? That is the an affidavits have been filed.
My lord,
In the affidavit, what is the stand?
they have not disclosed what the law has been followed, my lord. They have not disclosed at all in the affidavit. That is, my lord.
Yes, serious allegations, Mr. Counsel.
It is stated in our affidavit, paragraph number 4, Lord.
Paragraph,
Number 4.
page.
This one is page number 2, Lord.
Page.
Page
Paragraph 4 of page 2.
Page 2, Lordship.
Running page, matters is placed for hearing. How come the running pages are not known by the council? You should have asked your junior to look into it. Yes, if it even in opposition by which respondent? By respondent number 6?
Number 6.
6, Lordship.
115.
Number 2 হিসেবে দেবো লাগছে।
Paragraph?
Paragraph number 4.
I'm sorry that running page is not being mentioned.
All right.
Sorry.
The 1894 is not adopted. So you follow what rules?
That is the rule, means the rules we follows the APWD, CPWD for determining the rates of the JIRA, Lordship.
What is that CPWD, APWD?
In regards to determining the rate, the structures of the affected sites, the
Is your grievance only pertaining to the determination of the rates or everything?
My lord, everything, my lord.
Everything.
We have
No, then how was the land of the petitioners acquired? What is the procedure of acquired?
we have acquired under.
There has to be a law.
Yes, yes.
Under the law, you have to, there has to be certain criteria.
Yes,
Now, what is the law that you have
Means
in the Mahasau
the
for
pe-
acquiring the land?
The land of the petitioners were acquired under for making the project under Assam Mala for road.
That I have understood.
Yes,
But
sir.
I am asking the law.
Law means the thing is that since we have not
The
acquired.
law means
No,
no.
no.
No,
The
I am
law-
asking there has to
Yes.
be a law. There
Yes,
has to
Lord.
be some law, correct?
Before
Hey,
acquisition
but
of the,
Kolkata Municipal Corporation case to be the
before acquisition of the petitioners land, notices were served to them, Lordship.
No, that also you're not answering my question, Mr. Das.
Lordship.
We'll come to all that procedures later.
Yes.
But first and foremost, what is the law under which land of the petitioner has been acquired? Under what provisions of law? Because you have clearly said in paragraph 4 that you do not follow the Land Acquisition Act 1894. No problem in that. You are a autonomous council, paragraph 12, right? So there is no difficulty. But nonetheless, there has to be some law, correct? Now,
at
which
least
is that law?
2013. At least 2013 Act.
No, that not necessarily, they may not adopt, but then, so you see there, the allegations coming is that no law has been followed. They are saying nothing has been followed. So before I start seeing in the facts that this is the opportunity you said that you have given, this court must be satisfied that this is the law which you are following in the Mahasa,
Yes, Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
Because when I have to author the judgment, I have to refer to the law.
Law. Yes, yes.
Otherwise, Miss Burman, you have Calcutta Municipal Corporation in your mobile. Please give it, because I don't know why they are not being able to get me a print. Anna, come on, buy your mobile to lead.
Person, among mobile to the
2024 SSC online SC 968. SSC online SC 968.
I think it's a long judgment. উলিয়াই দিয়কচোন print পাৰে যদি পাৰিব
53 pages.
নহয় এই তাত পাব give it to Bidika বিদিকাই পাৰিব Is it available in your mobile? Just give it to me. There is a brief note in the beginning of the paragraph, beginning of the judgment. You see a note. Huh? All right, no problem, Ms. Burman.
Yes.
There are 6 pointers, 7 points laid down. That is what I wanted to see. What were those 7 points? Yes, but I can read it. Give me your mobile, or you can read it for the benefit of the court. Those 7 points. You can give your phone to Mr. Das if he volunteers to read it from your phone.
Yes, yes, definitely. Lordship. Yeah.
All right. I think by then my copy will come. But anyway, you give it to. What is the citation, Ms. Burman? 2000?
2024 SCC,
2024?
SCC online, SC.
1 second, 1 second. SSC online? Page?
Page 963.
968.
Oh, sorry.
Panchayat Paris Global. Those points are the right to property, the right to notice, right to be heard, right to a reasoned decision, the duty to acquire only for public purpose, the right of restitution of fair compensation, the right to an efficient and expeditious process, the right of conclusion. So all this has to be done. Now, there has to be also a law. Somewhere it is mentioned here. You look into it. Because now that the allegations have come that this has not been done. And you are admitting to the position that yes, we do not follow the 18 Act, and I don't think you are following the 13 Act as well.
Yes,
Are you following?
No.
That would be your stand. Then there has to be some law. You look into it, this matter would require some depth, in-depth studies, both side. We look into it. Miss Burman, you are also there in this case? Huh?
I'm a former party.
Then this code would also want your assistance.
Because land is a transferred subject.
Correct, but nonetheless, you see, that is another thing. That's why you said you are a formal party, but then this code insists that your assistance be given to the court as far as the legal question is concerned. All right? The heard Mr.
Yes, Sigdal.
So and so Sigdal, and counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. R. M. Na?
Lordship.
M. Das, Learned Standing Council,
Lordship.
Dima Hasa Autonomous Council, MS M. Burman, Learned Government State Council for respondent number 5, and Mr. A. Bhattacharya, Learned Standing Council Revenue, respondent number 1. The grievance of the writ petition in the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India is non non-payment of compensation against the land acquisition in question. Mr. So-and-so has categorically argued before this court that no law whatsoever has been followed in the subject acquisition. Stop. Mr. So-and-so, by referring to paragraph 4 of the affidavit in opposition filed on so-and-so and 5/12/2024, submits that the Land Acquisition Act 18/1994 is not adopted by the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council. However, they follow the CPWD stroke APWD. What is the CPWD APWD?
CPWD is Central Public Works.
What? These are guidelines. These are what?
No, the rates for determining the.
Follows the so and so for determining the rates of the Jirat compensation. Correct?
Yes.
Stop. Upon appointed query as regards the law followed in the Autonomous Council in the Dima Hasao, in the North Kachar Hills, now it is Dima Hasao?
Lordship, now
In the Dima Hasao Autonomous Council area, Mr. So-and-so seeks further 3 weeks time to apprise the court in this regard. Let learned counsels for the petitioner is also, and MS Burman as well, are also at liberty to assist the court in this regard. Relist when? Give a date. And such date. Look into it.
28.
And also these CPWD, whatever you have stated in this paragraph, those, where are those? You don't have a copy of those instructions also, isn't it? They are not annexed to your affidavit.
Not annexed.
So that is why you keep everything.
Yes, Lord.
So that on the next date again, the matter need not be adjourned if in case this court wants to have a look at it.
Yes.
So have all the, it needless to be clarified that all the relevant law as well as the guidelines followed by so and so in terms of land acquisition shall also be made available on the next date of listing.
Deep level. Supplementary list item number 35.
This Ahom Mala or Bharat Mala, this is negotiated settlement. There is a scheme out there. They have to follow that.
But that is why I've asked.
They bring on time.
So that must
It is
become.
Yes.
So I think since I have said whatever law, so that would indicate if that
Indicate.
is under the scheme, then the scheme has to be brought.
Yes.
See, that assistance is not forthcoming, Mr. Bhattacharya. That is why I was wondering, how
Yes,
can
yes.
it be done without any law? And
There
the
is-
allegation is that nothing has been followed.
No, no, there is a scheme.
So then if there is a scheme, the scheme has to be
Brought.
placed before this court. Mr. Das, look into it.
Develop.
May I tell the motion?
Yes.
My lord, my fair price shop license has been cancelled by order dated 16/1/25, page 37.
Hmm.
Page 37. There shows a fair price shop.
Affidavit has been filed, Ms. Gayan, Ms. Bora?
Yes, Lordship, we have
Yes,
filed.
it is fine. Now, my submission is this, my lord. At the time of passing this impugned order, my lord, no inquiry report was furnished to me and no complaint. They say that some public complaints were there. Even on my repeated request, they did not furnish the public complaint. Now, our High Court has repeated decisions. I have given 2 decisions on the last time, perhaps it may be on record, that if the complaint given by the public against the
No, there are no decisions in the file. It will only come into record if you file something, otherwise file. But I don't find anything in the file.
But I have copy my.
No, I don't have it in the file.
Kindly say,
Complaint record is with you.
now complaint and inquiry report, my lord, they have furnished in their affidavit in High Court.
Mr. Mahmood, I am highly confused because you are taking me from here and there. Now, before we go to the law and all that, first, what is the facts?
What is the fact, my lord? It was alleged that I have taken some money 30 to 150 from different card holders. And those different card holders.
Card holders.
Yes. Now the card holders, who are those persons?
You are an IMFC owner,
Absolutely.
holder,
Yes,
IMFL, sorry.
yes, fair price shop holder.
Fair price shop holder.
Now, my lord.
Oh,
all
fair
the-
price shop.
Yes, madam. Now, my lord, all the public who are my customers, they have already 141. They have given written application before the authority that I have been distributing the materials to my customers regularly and they are fully satisfied with me. That lordship may kindly see.
All right, we'll go into the papers later on then.
Yes. Now, even then, they have on the allegation that public has complained and without inquiry was made, but inquiry report is not furnished to me, nor those public who filed a complaint, those have been given to me in spite of my requests, repeated demands. So, my lord, the order itself is illegal because who are the public, whether they are my customer, consumer or not, I do not know. And secondly, my lord, what was the inquiry report, I do not know. So in such a situation, my lord, the Honorable High Court said that unless the complaints petition is given to the party concerned, and also the inquiry report is not furnished to him, so it is not possible for him to furnish a proper reply of show cause notice. So in that view, my lord, the orders have been set aside and the shop has been given to the party. And thereafter, if necessity arises, then, my lord, they may go through and see this the 2 judgments. জবৰ আছিলে নাপাতো দিয়া নাই নাই কপি নাই
Ms. Bora, have you gone through these judgment? Yes, why have you not given it to, if you want to rely on these 2 judgments, yes? Give a copy to the other side as well. Otherwise, how will Ms. Bora make her submissions. Copy should be given to her.
Then it may be taken at 2 p.m., my lord. I will provide her.
All right, after vacation. Heard Mr. M.U. Mahmood, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Ms. R. Bora, learned standing counsel BTC for the respondents. The case of the writ petitioner is that his fair price shop,
Village Kushakati. That is space 37 by.
it already be cancelled, not cancelled yet. Cancelled. Page 30,
Correct. Bottom Kalisti.
37.
Ramsarali Fairfax Shop Dealer of Village Kushakati for information.
His fair. No, the retail PDS license of the petitioner's FPS dealer Jamser Ali.
Yes.
Of the petitioner, of the petitioner has been cancelled. This without giving any opportunity.
Yeah.
Stop.
Providing the inquiry report
Without providing the inquiry report based on which the impugned cancellation
Yes,
has
and
been made.
Also the public complaint.
He further submits to decision of the coordinate bench. Coordinate bench of this court in WPC 747/2022 and no, one of this court and the other two of the coordinate bench. Arueta was WPC 2176 of 2017 in support of his contention. However, the copies of the affairs so and so is not provided to Ms. R. Bora. She accordingly seeks a short accommodation to go through the decisions submitted and make her defense arguments. Stop. Relist after 2 weeks or after they did relist on such and such date after vacation. Yes.
16 October.